Yung pong basbasan ng bawat bahagi ng gawain ito. At ang bawat isa po, Panginoon, ay maging saksi sa isang dakilang gawain, Panginoon, na aming pong matutunghayan ngayon. Ang pag-isang bibig ni Mike at ni Melissa.
You must receive what God gave to you. Do not abandon your wife and do not abandon your husband. Walang iwanan. Ex-man, ari lang po talaga. Ang singsing na yan, nagsisimbolo na wala na pong katapusan ng inyong pagsasama.
Presence of our Lord Jesus Christ, His people, I, Michael Agnew, solemnly swear that by the grace of God, I will love you, protect you, support you, and respect you. I know there will be ups and downs, but take heart, our Lord Jesus Christ overcome. Just always remember yung mga pangako niya is our strength, our shield, and our foundation.
I thank God because you are here, not because of being who you are, but because of the grace that He abides in us. As you always told me, if God is with us, who can be against us? I thank the Lord because where we are now, it will be an answered prayer because soon in this moment, I will be your wife.
Tinatanggap mo ba ang babaeng si Melissa?
Yes, I do.
Ikaw naman, Melissa, tinatanggap mo ba si Mike o pagiging asawa mo?
Yes, I do.